Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to plan a product launch in Notion for 2025. Let's start by setting up a new workspace in Notion. This will be the command center for our product launch. It's important to have a dedicated workspace to keep everything organized and accessible. Next up, create a project timeline. This is crucial because it gives you a bird's-eye view of your product launch. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're setting up clear milestones and deadlines to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we've done that, let's add your team members to the workspace. This promotes collaboration and transparency. The reason we do this is everyone should be on the same page about the tasks they're responsible for. Next, let's build a task list. This is where you'll outline every single task that needs to be done for the launch. It's essential because it breaks down your project into manageable chunks. Let me explain why this matters. Without a clear task list, it's easy to miss important steps. Finally, set up a progress tracker. This will help you monitor how your launch is progressing in real time. This helps us because it allows us to adjust our plans on the fly if needed and keeps everyone accountable. All right, we've done it. We've set up a comprehensive product launch plan in Notion. Remember, the key to a successful product launch is a thoroughly planned and organized approach. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to a successful launch in 2025. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.